Wayne Dyer said, "Our intention creates our reality." The fifth law is the law of action. An inspired action is needed to create your future. Intention plus effort is equal to magic. When the intention is strong and the effort is powerful, then only the magic is going to happen. You have to take very strong action. You have to be very focused what you want in your life. And then you have to put all the effort what you want. All the effort that you have. Then only the magical life will happen. And if you are struggling with something, that means you are not aligned with the universe and you have chosen the wrong path. The struggle only means that you are on the wrong track. That's why the universe is not helping you. So first understand yourself. Understand what is the purpose of your life. You hear my podcast about life purpose, then only you will know what is your life purpose. If you are struggling, that certainly you are not on your life purpose. Because when you are passionate enough to pursue something in life, then there will be no hard work, no challenge. Because your passion will supersede the hard work or the challenges that are going to come. You will be so much absorbed in your job that you don't feel that there is any hard work or any challenge. Then it becomes very easy. So passion is very much required to make the things easier. And you need to do inspired action every day. If you miss the action on any single day, then you are 2 days back. So you will have to do the inspired action every day. You can learn from the universal things around you, like every daily morning the sun rises and sets in the evening. The sun is doing daily a job. So you have also to become like sun. You have to create a discipline in your life. Then only your life is going to change. So start doing what you want to do passionately. Follow your life purpose. See the vision where you want to go. And then act upon it. Keep walking, don't stop. The results may take time, but the seed that you have sown in the soil will certainly come up as a plant. And when you will water it continuously, then that plant will become a tree. And in future, it will give flowers and fruits. And then add the family of trees. Many more trees will be born. So there is an inspired action from the Mother Earth, who wants greenery, who wants oxygen for people who are living on this earth. So take inspiration from nature. Inspired action is needed. That's what law of action says.